The rufous-necked hornbill, also known as the Aceros nepalensis, is a large bird belonging to the Bucerotidae family. It is found in the Himalayan region, ranging from Bhutan, northeast India, and Nepal, up to the southern parts of China and Myanmar. Due to habitat loss, hunting, and trapping for their casques and feathers, the rufous-necked hornbill is considered a vulnerable species by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. There are less than 10,000 adults left in the wild. The rufous-necked hornbill has a distinctive appearance with a blackish-brown body and a rufous-colored neck. The rufous coloration is a reddish-brown hue, which extends from the neck to the upper breast. The belly and lower breast are white, and the tail is black with white tips. The eyes are brown, and the large, curved bill has a yellowish-white base and a reddish-orange tip. The hornbill also has a casque on top of its bill, which is black with a yellowish-white band at the base. The male and female rufous-necked hornbills are similar in appearance, but the male is slightly larger than the female. The rufous-necked hornbill is a medium-sized bird that measures about 70 to 100 centimeters in length from beak to tail. The males are generally larger than females and can weigh up to 2.8 kilograms, while females weigh around 2.2 kilograms. They have a distinctive appearance with a rufous-colored neck and a large, curved beak that is mostly yellow with a black base. Their plumage is mostly black with white markings on their wings and tail. Rufous-necked hornbills are not known for their speed as they are not built for rapid flight. They have relatively large bodies and broad wings, which allow them to glide efficiently through the forest canopy, but their flight is generally slow and steady. Rufous-necked hornbills are adapted to a more sedentary lifestyle, spending most of their time perched in trees, foraging for food, or tending to their young. The rufous-necked hornbill has a loud, distinct call that can be heard echoing through the forest canopy. Their calls are typically described as a series of deep, guttural honks or croaks, sometimes sounding like cock cock cock, or wok wok wok. During the breeding season, male rufous-necked hornbills also make a softer, more melodious call to attract females. This call is often described as a series of flute-like notes that rise and fall in pitch. Rufous-necked hornbills are omnivorous, meaning they eat both plant and animal material. Their diet primarily consists of fruits, but they also eat insects, small reptiles, and small mammals. In the wild, they forage for fruit in the forest canopy, using their large, curved bills to break open tough fruit skins. They also use their bills to catch insects and small animals such as lizards and rodents. Rufous-necked hornbills are important seed dispersers in their ecosystems, as they consume a wide variety of fruits and then disperse the seeds through their droppings. This helps to maintain the diversity of plant life in the forest. Rufous-necked hornbills are cavity nesters, meaning they nest in tree cavities. The female lays 1 to 2 eggs inside the cavity, and both the male and female take turns incubating the eggs for about 40 to 50 days. During this time, the male brings food to the female in the nest. Once the eggs hatch, both parents continue to care for the young, bringing food to the nest and cleaning up after the chicks. The chicks fledge at around 90 to 100 days old but may stay with their parents for several more months as they learn to forage for food on their own. Rufous-necked hornbills are generally monogamous, meaning they mate for life. They typically nest in the same tree cavity year after year, and both parents help to maintain the nest by filling any gaps or cracks with mud and other materials. Over time, the nest can become quite large, with multiple chambers for the birds to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.